I need a new gun, but nothing automatic. What do you got?
Ah, a choice of an avid gun collector. It's a nice gun, stranger.
Greetings, fans, and welcome to another Gridiron Studios weapon review. This is only my second order with Gridiron Studios, but I got a wide variety of weapons. Today we're starting with the revolvers. These are Gridiron Studios revolvers based on the Colt model. Here's a Colt long barrel in black, Colt short barrel, and two chrome Colts. As you can tell, since they're handle to handle, the top one is slightly larger than the bottom one, and they came with the holsters above. The one for the left leg has the tape on that side, and the one on the right leg is for the shorter one, but both of them are interchangeable. And I tested the revolvers, the black ones, in the holsters, and they fit perfectly. Obviously the long barrel one goes out the bottom a little bit, but that's okay. Gridiron ships their weapons individually unless they're in a set in these handy dandy envelopes with their card. And that's the back of the card. Very nifty. Weapons are very sturdy. No bend at all, really. A little, but nothing like what I'm going to show you in a moment. I'm sure. And they're not bridle.